This is the perfect snack to celebrate Olympics and Emancipence. Jamaica's national dish becomes Jamaica's national dip. Let me show you how to make this super simple recipe that is both sophisticated and explosive. Solomon Gundy, Ackee, Plantain Chips. Come on, let's get into this. And that's it. We have our main ingredients, our star ingredients in this bowl with our seasonings. All I need to do now is add it to the food processor, whiz away into a smooth paste, and then plate. I'm gonna show you some garnishings to even make the flavor go like more crazy, and that's it. We're almost at the finish line. In keeping with my Jamaican flag theme for my toppings, I'm going to add a little bit more of the fish just on top. Next, we're going to add some of our charred scallion and garlic oil. This oil is divine. I got some of the pimento powder here. And then we're going to drizzle a little honey. I find that the honey contrasts the saltiness and the earthiness of the ackee and the herring. And then we got some sesame seeds for the blacken our flag. And then we have our green and gold in the form of flowers. And then we just put this on a platter along with our plantain chips, which goes perfectly with ackee. Otherwise, you can use the cassava or the breadfruit chips. They all will go perfectly with this dish. And that's it. So let's open up and begin. Gosh, this is so good. Let me get some more of that herring, some of that crispy scallion, some honey. Ready to go. Enjoy the dip and chip, enjoy the game. See you next time.